In this DIY, I'm going to be showing you how to make decorative Halloween candy jars using old candle jars. And for the first one, okay, I have two of them. The first one, the items that you're going to need, of course, is a clean, empty jar and one of these headbands, the witch hat from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using my scissors and my glue gun. And the first thing that I'm going to do is remove the headband. So I'm going to pull this circle up, and it comes up pretty easy. Then I'm going to remove the headband. So after removing the circle and the headband, I'm going to go back and put glue around the circle, and I'm going to put that back on the hat. So after hot gluing the circle back on again, I'm going to now glue this hat onto the top of the lid. So after it is glued on the hat, after the hat is glued onto the lid, then I'm going to cut this because it's too long. Or you could just cut it off completely if you wanted to. And that's it. For the second DIY, I'm going to be using another candle jar, empty candle jar. And I'm going to be using this pumpkin decor kit from the Dollar Tree. And my scissors and my glue gun. And the first thing that I'm going to do is turn this over on the side. And I'm going to pull all the parts out. And I'm going to glue the eyes. Then I'm going to add the mouth. And you just peel the backing off of this and then stick it on. Okay. Then here's the nose. So what I'm going to do is just wrap it around twice. Okay, now with this jar, I realized that this keeps sliding up into the eyes, and it's keep pulling the eyes off. So what I'm going to do is just cut this, and I'm going to try to just glue the nose on. Okay. Here are the finished jars. And with this one right here, is not actually a jar. It's one of the plastic containers from the Dollar Tree. And I added the just glued the hat on top on the lid like I did with the other ones. And with this one, I wanted to do this one to show you what it would look like without the veil hanging from the front. I took that off, and then I just added gemstones around the front of the hat to cover up where the glue was at. Thanks so much for watching, and for those who haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Until next time, bye.